Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we have done up to the topic that is working for a cause given at page number 36. Okay, so we have done up to that. Okay, so today we will start with the next topic that is given in our GK book, that is famous lakes in India. Okay, so this is the next topic that we are going to start in our today's session. Okay, that is famous lakes in India given at page number 38. So I am just writing the topic on the board, that is famous lakes in India. So this is the topic that we will start in the today's session given at page number 38. Famous lakes in India. Okay, you know there are number of lakes, numerous lakes in our country. Okay, and the place that is known as city of lakes. Okay, so which city is known as city of, oh sorry, which district, not city, which district is known as city of the lakes, that is Nainital. Okay, city of lakes, that is Nainital. ओके सो जैसे वहाँ पे बहुत सारी लेक्स हैं, सो नैनीताल इज़ नोन एज सिटी ऑफ लेक्स. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट बेटा, जो फिनलैंड है, FINLAND, फिनलैंड, दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द लैंड ऑफ 1000 लेक्स. ओके, सो इन इंडिया नैनीताल इज नोन एज सिटी ऑफ लेक्स, वेयर एज इन द वर्ल्ड, ओके, in the world the Finland is termed as the land of thousands lakes. Okay, so world में Finland is termed as the land of thousand lakes, whereas Nainital is known as city of lakes in India. Okay, चलिए here we will start with the first lake that is given here, that is Vular Lake. Okay, so we will talk about the first, that is Vular Lake. Let's talk about the first lake, that is Vular Lake. Now where does it located? Okay, let's read the information that is given in your book about the Vular Lake. So the Vular Lake lies 32 kilometers from Srinagar. It is the largest lake in Jammu and the Kashmir region. It controls the flow of Jhelum river which passes through it. Okay, so now we are talking about the lake that is Vular Lake. हम Vular Lake की बात कर रहे हैं, and this Vular Lake lies near about 32 kilometers from Srinagar. और ये जो वुलर लेक है वो श्रीनगर से नियर अबाउट 32 किलोमीटर्स जो है दूर है. ओके, सो द वुलर लेक लाइज नियर अबाउट 32 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम श्रीनगर. ओके, एंड दिस वुलर लेक इज द लार्जेस्ट लेक इन द जम्मू एंड द कश्मीर रीजन. वुलर लेक इज द लार्जेस्ट लेक इन द जम्मू एंड द कश्मीर रीजन. ओके, तो जम्मू और कश्मीर का जितना भी रीजन है, देखिए एज आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट जो वुलर लेक है वो श्रीनगर, ओके, दैट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ जम्मू ड्यूरिंग, दैट इज द कश्मीर कैपिटल ऑफ कश्मीर ड्यूरिंग समर. ओके, बट चलिए नॉट हैज बीन इन द यूटी नाउ. ओके, सो नाउ जो वुलर लेक है वो श्रीनगर से नियर अबाउट 32 किलोमीटर्स दूर है. ओके, एंड पूरे जम्मू एंड कश्मीर रीजन में, ओके, सो इन द होल जम्मू एंड कश्मीर रीजन, और यू कैन से जम्मू एंड कश्मीर स्टेट, दिस इज द वुलर लेक इज द लार्जेस्ट लेक इन दैट whole region. Okay, second thing is it controls the flow of Jhelum river which passes through it. Okay, so Jhelum river that also passes through this Vular Lake, and when the water of the Jhelum river comes into this Vular lake, so it divides the water of Vular lake, okay, which also controls the flood on the Vular in the झेलम रिवर। ओके, सो देखिए जो झेलम रिवर है उसका जो पानी है, ओके, जो उसका बहाव है, ओके, सो व्हेन इट गेट डिवाइडेड इनटू दिस वुलर लेक, सो इट दिस आल्सो समहाउ हेल्प्स टू कंट्रोल द सॉरी this also somehow helps to control the flow of Jhelum river, okay, and ये इसका सॉरी सो ये जिसकी जैसे इसका फ्लो कंट्रोल करती है बेटा, सो जस्ट लाइक दैट फ्लो कंट्रोल करेगी तो चांसेस ऑफ फ्लड्स, ओके, देन दैट Jhelum river will also decrease, okay. So 2-3 features or 2-3 informations that we have gained about the Vular lake is, the first one is that Vular lake lies 32 kilometers from Srinagar. Second, this Vular lake is the largest lake in the whole Jammu and Kashmir region. Third thing is it controls the flow of Jhelum river, which protects it from flood, okay, which also controls the floods, okay. That is Vular lake. Second one, that is Chilka lake. So now we will talk about the Chilka lake, okay. Situated on the east coast of Odisha, Chilka lake is the largest brackish saltwater lagoon in Asia. It lies along the east coast of India in the delta of the Mahanadi river. It is home to a wide variety of the birds. Okay, so now we are talking about Chilka lake. अब हम किसके में बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Now we are talking about Chilka lake. अब हम Chilka lake के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, that is largest salt water lagoon in Asia. That is Chilka lake. That is Chilka lake. Okay. Sorry, I'm just suffering with cough and cold, so that's why I'm getting sneezes again and again. Okay, so that is Chilka lake. So Chilka lake क्या है बेटा? Let's read about it. Let's read some facts about this Chilka lake. Situated on the east coast of Odisha. So this Chilka lake is located on the east coast. जो ईस्टर्न पार्ट है, ईस्टर्न तट है, तट मतलब कोस्ट मीन्स तटीय इलाके जो होते हैं, जो समुद्री इलाके होते हैं, ओके. सो दिस चिल्का लेक इज लोकेटेड ऑन द ईस्ट कोस्ट ऑफ उड़ीसा. चिल्का लेक इज द लार्जेस्ट ब्रैकिश सॉल्ट वाटर लेगून इन एशिया. जो चिल्का लेक है वो पूरे एशिया में सबसे बड़ा सॉल्ट वाटर लेगून है. सो चिल्का लेक इज द लार्जेस्ट salt water lagoon in Asia. It lies along the east coast of India in the delta of the Mahanadi river. Okay, इसके अलावा okay, it also forms a delta. Okay, जहाँ पे 3 river. Okay, so the area that is covered by the rivers. Okay, one river passes through here, there, and there. So this place is known as delta. This is delta. Okay, triangular shape of land that forms due to passing of different rivers. Okay, so देखिए now ये चिल्का लेक है that also forms delta of the Mahanadi. It also forms it lies along the east coast of the India in the delta of the Mahanadi river. So Mahanadi river जो delta बनाती है बेटा, ये उसके east coast से ये वाली लेक है जो लगी हुई है. It is home to the wide variety of birds, and various variety of birds, they come to this lake. Okay, so you can say you can find a numerous wide variety of birds in the lake, in this area of Chilka lake. Okay, so Chilka lake is the largest salt water lagoon in Asia. Okay, and it is found, Chilka lake can be found on the east coast of Odisha. Okay, and it lies along the east coast of India in the okay, और ये महानदी रिवर द्वारा बनाए गए डेल्टा के ईस्ट कोस्ट को भी टच करती है. that is our Chulka Lake. Clear? Moving next to the third one, that is Sambar Salt Lake. Okay, that is the largest inland salt lake in India. Okay, Sambar Salt Lake is the largest inland salt lake in India. Okay, that is Sambar. That is Sambar Salt Lake. Now we are talking about Sambar Salt Lake. Now what is Sambar Salt Lake, beta? Sambar Salt Lake is the largest salt water lake in India. Okay, so this is the largest inland salt lake in India. It is situated in Rajasthan. Salt sheets which form a distance look like snow, which from a distance look like snow, often cover the lake's bed. The lake is usually dry in the hot months. Salt pans and refining works are located on the lake's shore. So now we are talking about another very famous lake in India, that is Sambar Salt Lake. So as its name itself signifying its feature, that is salt. So this is the largest inland salt lake in India. तो ये सबसे बड़ी salt lake है हमारे इंडिया में. Okay, and the salt is present in so much quantity in this lake that you can even see. Okay, दूर से क्या लगता है कि you can see a sheet. Okay, it looks like from a distance, दूर से it looks like that a sheet of snow is lying on the riverbeds means on the upper surface of the लेक. ठीक है, जो लेक है, ये लेक है सांबर सॉल्ट लेक, जो इसका बिल्कुल ऊपरी इलाका, ऊपरी वाला एरिया है, जहाँ पे पूरा ऐसे लगता है देखने में दैट देयर इज, you can feel like that it is covered with snow. So that is the salt that comes on the upper layer of the snow, upper layer of the river. Okay, and from a distance it looks like that whole river, sorry, that whole lake is covered by a ice sheet. Okay, so it looks like this from a distance, but actual this is not snow, this is the salt that is present in the water of that Sambar Salt Lake. Okay, and this river, this lake usually dry during the hot months. जब बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी पड़ती है तो ज़्यादातर जो ये लेक है, लेक मीन्स झील, so ज़्यादातर ये जो झील है that is Sambar Salt Lake. Okay, that remains dry. Okay, तो जब बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी पड़ती है तो उस टाइम पे ये जो लेक है सांबर सॉल्ट लेक, ये एकदम सूख जाती है. ओके, देखिए रीज़न, देखिए दैट एज यू नो दैट आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट दिस सांबर सॉल्ट लेक इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन राजस्थान. ये सांबर सॉल्ट लेक है कहाँ? इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन राजस्थान. ये है राजस्थान में, एंड यू नो द राजस्थान इज़ फेमस फॉर इट्स हॉट वेदर. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई ड्यूरिंग द हॉट मंथ्स, जब बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है, एट दैट टाइम दिस लेक it dry. Okay, and it just keep dry, it वो पूरी तरह से सूख जाती है. Okay, salt pans and refining works are located on the lake shore. Okay, so as I have told you that this is a salt lake, so the salt is present in this, the excess quantity of salt is present in this Sambar Salt Lake just because of this. ठीक है, जिसके कारण क्या होता है, ओके, जिसके कारण होता नहीं, जिसके कारण बहुत सारी जो रिफाइनिंग, सो द सॉल्ट रिफाइनिंग रिफाइनरीज और यू कैन सॉल्ट पैंस और सॉल्ट रिफाइनिंग जो वर्क हैं या इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, ओके, यू कैन फाइंड एट द शोर. ओके, एट द इसके सांबर सॉल्ट लेक के जो किनारे पे आपको बहुत सारी सॉल्ट रिफाइनिंग इंडस्ट्रीज या सॉल्ट पैंस यू कैन फाइंड देयर. Okay, so because they can easily get their raw material, that is salt, from this Sambar Salt Lake. So there are number of industries, you can see refining work that is going there on. Okay, that is going on there. ओके ऑफ द सॉल्ट। तो वहाँ पे सॉल्ट का जो रिफाइनरी, ये नहीं कि जो नमक जो मिलता है वो डायरेक्ट हम लोग अपने लिए यूज़ कर लेते हैं। ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हेन दे कलेक्ट दैट सॉल्ट फ्रॉम द सी और द लेक, देन a very long process of refining it is there। ओके, तो पहले उसको बहुत लंबे प्रोसेस के थ्रू पास करते हुए सॉल्ट को रिफाइन किया जाता है, एंड इट इज़ मेड लाइक दैट दैट इट इज़ एबल फॉर अस टू यूज़। ओके, उसको इस लायक बनाया जाता है कि दैट वी कैन यूज़ इट इन आर डेली लाइफ। ओके, सो you can't just take the salt from the sea or the lake and just use it in your food। Okay, no, first of all there a very long process is there of refining the salt, and then it is made available to us, and then we use it in our daily life like cooking and all। Clear? So this is Samba Salt Lake। Moving next to the fourth one, that is Koleru Lake। So the fourth is Koleru Lake, that is Koleru, Kolleru, that is Koleru Lake। This is the fourth one, that is Koleru Lake। Situated in Andhra Pradesh, Koleru Lake is the largest freshwater lake in India, lying between the deltas of Krishna River and the Godavari River. It acts as a reservoir to control floods. It is an important habitat for migrating birds. So now we talk about the next. Now we will talk about the next lake, that is Koleru Lake। So now we will talk about the next lake, that is Koleru Lake। So now what is Koleru Lake? So this first thing, that where is this lake is located? So this Koleru Lake is located in Andhra Pradesh। So this Koleru Lake is located in Andhra Pradesh। Okay, so Koleru Lake is located in Andhra Pradesh, and it is the largest freshwater lake in India। Okay, और ये इंडिया में सबसे बड़ी फ्रेश वाटर लेक है, that is Koleru Lake। So Koleru Lake is the largest freshwater lake in India। Okay, and it is located in Andhra Pradesh। Okay, next they have written lying between the deltas of the Krishna River and the Godavari River, it acts as a reservoir to control floods। Okay, and this Koleru Lake, okay, ये Koleru Lake कहाँ है बेटा? This Koleru Lake lies between the deltas formed by the Krishna and the Godavari River। So Godavari River और Krishna River द्वारा जो डेल्टा बनाया जाता है, डेल्टा जो बनाया जाता है, okay, so that this Koleru Lake it lies there। Okay, so this Koleru Lake, it lies between the deltas formed by the Krishna and the Godavari River। Next, it acts as a reservoir to control floods। It is an important habitat for the migrating birds। Okay, so other than that, this Koleru Lake is a very great reservoir। Okay, so it has lots of reserve in it। Okay, so it has a very great, as it forms and it helps टू कंट्रोल फ्लड्स। तो ये फ्लड्स को कंट्रोल करती है, तो ये एक इसका बहुत बड़ा रोल है इन द इट प्लेज अ वेरी वाइटल रोल इन कंट्रोलिंग फ्लड्स, सो दैट इट एक्ट एज अ रिजर्व, जो कि जो फ्लड्स को रिजर्व करके, सो दैट द फ्लड्स डजंट अकर, सो इट आल्सो एक्ट्स एज अ रिजर्वियर। Next, it is an important habitat for the migrating birds। So what are migrating birds? Migrating birds are those who migrate from other countries or other places। migrating birds बेटा उनको कहते हैं जो कि दूसरी कंट्री से, दूसरी जगहों से आके कहीं और रहते हैं। ओके, वाई दे माइग्रेट? तो द रीज़न इज, ओके, सपोज जैसे अभी यहाँ पे ठंड पड़ रही है, तो यहाँ पे जितने भी बर्ड्स हैं, दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू, देखिए तो ह्यूमन बीइंग जो है वो भी खुद कांप जाए, तो दैट मतलब वो जो बर्ड्स हैं, हाउ दे कैन सर्वाइव इन सच हॉट क्लाइमेट। सो व्हाट दे डू, सो दे जस्ट माइग्रेट टू सम अदर प्लेस। वो किसी और, देखिए उनका तो वीज़ा, पासपोर्ट या ट्रेन का टिकट नहीं लेना है, they can just fly। Okay, so they just migrate to some other place where they can find is suitable environment or suitable habitat for themselves। Okay, so where they can survive easily। Okay, so the birds, they keep on migrating from one place to another so that they can get the required environment or the environment that is suitable to their body। Okay, so that's why they keep on migrating. So there are these birds, those who keep on migrating from one place to another, they are known as migratory birds. Okay, and this Koleru lake, this is also one of the very great habitat for the migrating birds as well. That is Koleru lake. Moving next to the fifth one, that is Dheba lake. Now we are talking about the next very important lake, that is Dheba lake. That is Dheba lake. Dhevar. Okay. This is Dheba lake, and this Dheba lake is also known as Jaisalmer lake. Okay, because it is situated not Jaisalmer. Okay, that is Jaisamand lake. Okay, also known as Jaisamand lake. Okay, but the name that is given to it, that is Dheba lake, which is also known as Jaisamand lake. Jaisamand lake. Okay, so this Dheba lake is also known as Jaisamand lake. Dheba lake is the second largest artificial lake in Asia, built by Maharana Jai Singh in the year 1685. It is located in Udaipur, district of Rajasthan. It comprises 7 islands and covers an area of 87 square kilometer. So the next lake we are talking about, the another, that is Dheba lake. So Dheba lake is also known with the other name, that is Jaisamand lake. Okay, so Jaisamand lake is the other name for the Dheba lake. Okay, and you know, this Dheba lake is the second largest artificial lake in Asia. So that means all the countries that comes under Asia कॉन्टिनेंट, जितनी भी कंट्रीज जो पूरे एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट के अंदर आती हैं. ओके, सो दिस Dheba lake, और यू कैन से Jaisamand lake is the second largest artificial lake in whole Asia. तो पूरे एशिया में ये जो Jaisamand lake है या Dheba lake है, this is the second largest lake, okay, in the complete Asia. Okay, and second largest artificial lake, sorry, this is the second largest artificial lake in the whole Asia. Now what is artificial lake? Artificial lake means the lakes that are formed man-made lakes. Okay, जिसको बनाया गया है. Okay, so artificial lakes are those lakes which are made by human beings, which are made with the involvement of human beings. So those are known as artificial lakes. So this Dheba lake, which is the second largest artificial lake in Asia, okay, it was built by Maharana Jai Singh in the year 1685. So in the year 1685 में the Maharana Jai Singh थे, उन्होंने ये Dheba lake को बनवाया था in the Udaipur. So Udaipur is a district that is located in Rajasthan. Next, it covers 7 islands and covers an area of 87 square kilometer. Okay, sorry, it comprises 7 islands. So it is comprised of 7 islands का comprise है, और ये near about 87 square kilometer का जो area है, that is being covered by this Dheba lake, or you can see this Jaisamand lake. Okay, so the area covered by Jaisamand or the Dheba lake is 87 square kilometer, and this is the second largest artificial lake in Asia, which was built by Maharana Jai Singh in the year 1685. Clear? Chaliye, moving next to the last one, that is Loktak lake. Now we are talking about the last lake, that is Loktak lake. Okay, so let's talk about Loktak lake. Now what is Loktak lake? Loktak lake, located 53 kilometers from Imphal, is the largest freshwater lake in the northeast India. Okay, it is known for its circular floating swamps, which are called pomdis in the local language, covering an area of 300 square kilometer. The lake is a lifeline for a large number of people. So now we are talking about the Loktak Lake. अब हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? Loktak Lake. Okay, and it is located 53 only just 53 kilometer from Imphal. So Imphal is the name of a place. Okay, and this Loktak Lake is located just 53 kilometers from that Imphal. Okay, it is the largest freshwater lake in the northeast India. So the northern and the eastern part, northeast part of India. Okay, so in the northeast part of India, this Loktak Lake is the largest. It is the first largest, that means. So northeast India में ये सबसे बड़ी fresh water lake है. Okay, so in the northeast India, this Loktak Lake is the largest lake. Okay, it is known for its circular floating swamps which are called pomdes. So this lake sometimes they have circular floating swamps. तो कई बार इसमें सर्कुलर फ्लोटिंग स्वैम्स आते रहते हैं. ओके, जिसको कि पुमदीस कहा जाता है, जिसको हम ना बवंडर छोटे छोटे. तो इसके सर्कुलर फ्लोटिंग स्वैम्स आते रहते हैं जिनको कि पुमदीस कहा जाता है इन द लोकल लैंग्वेज ऑफ द एरिया वेयर दिस लेक इज सिचुएटेड. नेक्स्ट, दिस लेक, सो द एरिया कवर्ड बाय दिस Loktak Lake is 300 square kilometer. So this is the area that is being covered by this Loktak Lake, and this Loktak Lake also serve as a lifeline for the number of peoples. Okay, how it is served as a lifeline beta? So देखिए बहुत सारे लोग जो शिकारा चलाते होंगे. Okay, so they just earn their money from that tribes of shikara. Okay, some are involved in farming, fish farming. ओके, फिशिंग में कुछ लोग इन्वॉल्व, फिशर्स जो है मतलब दे जस्ट कैच द फिश फ्रॉम देयर दिस लेक्स एंड सेल इट टू द मार्केट टू अर्न देयर लाइवलीहुड. सो दीज काइंड्स ऑफ अर्निंग्स ऑफ द वेरियस पीपल आर डिपेंड अपॉन दिस लेक, दैट इज लोकटक लेक. ओके, चलिए, सो नाउ मूविंग नेक्स्ट, अ क्विज इज गिवन, सो वी विल मूव टू द क्विज हियर. Okay, so quick quiz. The first is given here. The first is, which lake is also known as Srinagar's jewel? कौन सी लेक को श्रीनगर जूल भी कहा जाता है? And that lake is located in Srinagar only. So Dal Lake. So Dal Lake is also known as Srinagar jewel. So that is Dal Lake. Dal Lake is also known as Srinagar jewel. Second one, in which Indian state is the Pushkar Lake located? इंडिया की कौन सी लेक में जो पुष्कर लेक है, that is you can find there this. So Pushkar Lake is located in Rajasthan. Pushkar Lake is located in Rajasthan, and the place where this लेक इज लोकेटेड, दैट इज क्योंकि पुष्कर जहाँ पे भगवान ब्रह्मा जी का इकलौता मंदिर है. ओके, एंड दैट लोकेट पुष्कर लेक इज लोकेटेड देयर ओनली. थर्ड वन, इन द मिडल ऑफ विच लेक इज द लॉर्ड बुद्धा's 350 टन स्टैचू इंस्टॉल. ओके, कौन सी लेक के बीचों बीच भगवान बुद्ध का 350 टन का जो कि स्टैचू है वो स्थापित किया गया है? So the Lord Buddha's 350 ton statue is installed in the middle of Hussain Sagar Lake. In Hussain Sagar Lake. That is Hussain Sagar Lake. That is Hussain Sagar Lake. Fourth, in which district in Uttarakhand is known as the Lake District of India? तो हमारी इंडिया में कौन सी ऐसी डिस्ट्रिक्ट है जिसको लेक डिस्ट्रिक्ट बोला जाता है? दैट इज नैनीताल. नैनीताल इज नोन एज सिटी ऑफ लेक्स, और यू कैन से द डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ लेक्स. दैट इज नैनीताल. ओके, मूविंग टू द लास्ट वन. इन विच स्टेट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट लेक इन इंडिया? द वेम्बानंद लेक लोकेटेड. तो इंडिया की कौन सी स्टेट में जो इंडिया की सबसे लंबी लेक? ओके, सो द लॉन्गेस्ट लेक इन इंडिया दैट इज वेम्बानंद लेक. सो लॉन्गेस्ट लेक इन इंडिया इज दैट नेम ऑफ द लॉन्गेस्ट लेक इन इंडिया इज दैट इज वेम्बानंद लेक, एंड इट इज लोकेटेड इन केरला. ओके, सो द लॉन्गेस्ट लेक इन इंडिया दैट इज वेम्बानंद लेक इज उसको केरला बोलते हैं. Okay. So these are the answers of the first. These are the answers of the quick quiz that is given at page number 38. Okay, class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a good day.